Introducing the GENMAX GM10500iETC 10,500 watt 458cc tri-fuel inverter generator. This generator is a game changer, offering unparalleled load capacity and tri-fuel selectivity to meet all your power needs. This is the first tri-fuel silent inverter generator on the market. The GM10500iETC delivers an impressive 10,500 starting watts and 8,500 running watts on gasoline. And its neutral floating design makes it ideal for home standby backup power. The tri-fuel capability gives you flexibility of fuel choice, allowing it to run on gas, LPG, or natural gas, featuring a diverse configuration of outlets such as the 30-amp L1430R, the 50-amp 1450R, and 120-volt AC 20-amp 520R. With a THD less than 3%, it ensures a stable power supply, catering to all your power demands. Safety is a priority with the CO Detect feature, which automatically shuts off the generator if unsafe carbon monoxide levels are detected. The folding handles and wheels make this generator easy to move anywhere on your job site, and the LED light makes it easy to operate your generator in the dark. Included with your generator is a spark plug socket wrench, dual-purpose screwdriver, funnel, rain cover, NEMA L1430P locking plug, and a manual. Established in 2010, GENMAX is a trusted name in portable power solutions. Experience the unmatched power, versatility, and convenience of the GENMAX GM10500iETC 10,500 watt tri-fuel inverter generator with remote start. Take charge of your portable power needs like never before with GENMAX.